Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to unbox this wireless headphone. So without any delay, let's get started. So guys, let's open this headphone that is from the ZEBRONICS company. It is wireless headphone Zeb-Thunder. Model name is Zeb-Thunder and its brand ambassador is Hrithik Roshan. Hooray! And it's come with blue red. You can see blue red, neon yellow, sea green and teal green. Teal green. You can see the back side of its box. Now let's open it from here. Okay, let's open it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's 1, 2, 3. And here comes the headphone. Let's see what's inside the headphone. The headphones. Here is the headphone, as you can see. I booked green color. I'll tell you what the color name. Sea green color. It comes with the charging cable for it. It is Bluetooth, no, so and aux port and a manual, and this. Here is the manual how to use it. We don't need this. Let's throw it off. As you can see, the headphones here. Let's talk about the headphones now. Here you can own it while using the Bluetooth. Okay guys, now let's talk about the headphones. It is weighs around 270 grams. It is wireless. As guys, it is wireless. Here you can see it has soft cups. It has soft and comfortable ear cups. As you can see, small. See, it is wide frequency response. Wide. You can use up to, I think so, approximately more than 5 meters. I think so, more than 10 meters. Pakka. It is Bluetooth connected device, and it has. I told you again. You can on the Bluetooth by via this button. Okay. It has here 3.5 mm aux input. And you know one thing, it has built-in FM radio, built-in. That's also built-in. It has, SD micro SD slot here, micro SD slot. It's backup of 9 hours. You hear that? 9 hours. And it has a built-in mic here. So here on the space is not there. Here some space is there. See, it has a built-in mic. Let's pair this device to our mobile and see. Now let's see how to pair the device with the phone. Now take the device and on it. Here the blue light should come. Then take your mobile. Go to Bluetooth settings. Now see pair new device. It will show available device here. As you can see, it came Zeb-Thunder. Click on it. Then allow access and pair. And the device is paired with the mobile now. You can see how much the battery it has. 40% battery activate. Now let's check how the music comes with the mobile to the headphones. Now let me play some songs from my YouTube channel. As you can see, the music is coming very nice. Let's play another video. Every time you can see. As you can see now, as you saw, the music's come from the. This is very nice. Very nice means very nice. Perfect sound. As I saw, the music was nice and I showed you how to play the well. As I know, some people will not believe the music is coming from the headphones. So I am going to test it out from here. I'm keeping this very far, means very far. See, very far. Very far. It's so there. Now let's check the music. Can't you? You can hear from the band. Now let's check it again. I'll down the volume as you can see. But I'll keep the volume in the mobile. You can hear anything? No, no. Now let me take the headphones and keep near the mic. I took the headphones. I'm keeping near mic. See? See? You can hear that? You can hear that? So believe me, it is come with adjustable. See? You can stretch it longer. Longer means longer. Very long. See? The music is very nice. Believe me, guys, I am sure that you should buy this product. It is very nice company, very much nice. It comes here also softly to protect your head. See, you can do like again. If you don't want this, you can off here. See, power off. It comes with at least you should charge 1.5 hours. I think so. For total 9 hours backup. Okay guys, that's all for today's video. If you like this video, click the like button. If you love this video, subscribe my channel. If you seen any mistakes in my video, comment and say what is my mistake. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. We'll meet you in next video. Okay, bye.